Ever wondered why some fire alarm systems seem smarter than others? Today we're breaking down the key differences between conventional and addressable fire alarm systems and why it matters for safety, maintenance, and building design. Let's start with the basics. A conventional fire alarm system divides the building into zones. Each zone is wired into a specific set of devices, like smoke detectors or manual pull stations. When a device activates, the panel tells you which zone triggered the alarm, but not the exact device. Now let's talk smart tech. Addressable systems assign a unique address to every device. That means when a smoke detector goes off, the panel tells you exactly which one it is, like smoke detector 03 in room 204. This precision makes troubleshooting and emergency response faster and more effective. And the following table I'm about to show you is a side-by-side comparison of conventional and addressable pull stations. If you're working with a small building and a budget is tight, conventional might do the job. But if you're in larger facilities, hospitals or schools, addressable systems offer unmatched control, diagnostics, and safety. Whether you're upgrading to a system designing from scratch, whether you're upgrading the system or designing from scratch, understanding these differences helps you make smarter, safer choices. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more fire safety insights, and drop your questions in the comments.